kind of disturbs. So I might have to remove it.
Okay, go!
Ah, he cheated! He cheated! He turned around on the line! He cheated!
I know! Steady racers!
That's why I'm so slow.
Guys, who do you think is gonna win? McQueen or Pro? They're racing! Let's see who's the winner! Come on! Speed up! Rev up for me, rev up! Looks like Nyasha's out of the gates.